Hey guys, today in this video, I'll compare budgeting apps. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, to come up with this list, we looked at apps that would allow users to sync with their bank accounts and credit card accounts, or opt out if they didn't want to do that, plan ahead to make smart financial decisions, categorize their transactions and expenses, track bills, get reminders. So the first app is You Need a Budget, or YNAB, and this app is all about intentionality. It is based on the zero-based budgeting system, and this is where you make a job for every dollar. You allocate every dollar you make to something. So in this app, you get paid and then you assign portions of your income to certain categories. A part of its popularity has to be the interface. It's a very clean interface, and that's one of the reasons we like it. As you record your transactions, you'll watch lines go down and you'll be tracking what you're spending. So with this app, you can link your accounts, or you can do it manually if you don't want to do that. The app is also full-featured, but it's not free. Next app on the list is EveryDollar. This is another app that uses the zero-based budgeting system, so you'll allocate portions of your income to everything, and the free version is pretty straightforward. It does not allow you to sync your bank accounts. You manually enter your income and your expenses, and you can categorize your transactions and set reminders for bill pay, but it is very manual and hands-on, forcing you to budget. There's a premium version that will allow you to connect your accounts, and that will give you recommendations based on your spending habits. Next one is Good Budget, and this is a good app that's forward-looking and hands-on. But this one is based on the envelope system of budgeting, and believe me, that's exactly what it sounds like. It's kind of old school. You'd get your paycheck, you'd cash it, and you would stuff portions of cash into separate envelopes designated for specific purposes. It's virtual envelopes, so you would use the app to portion out your income for food, gas, savings, debt. You set your expense categories called envelopes, and you establish your budgets for each. Now you only get 10 envelopes with the free version, and you have to plug in your bank account numbers yourself. At number 4 is an app called Empower Personal Dashboard. This app is less about budgeting and more about net worth and monitoring your accounts. And that's kind of what you can do. You can add your accounts and manage all your money in one place. Connect to a bank, checking savings accounts, credit cards, stocks, and things like that. Now, the 5th app on the list is called Pocket Guard, and this app is big on simple. Maybe not the most robust, but it's a good place to really look at all of your money and how it's moving. And the way to get that information in there is really to link your financial institution. With the free version, you're kind of limited to just 2 accounts, and then also when you're looking at budgets. So you can choose to connect your accounts or not. But if you connect your accounts, put your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, investments, the app will use the intel from your transactions and things like that to show you how much money you have left over in a given month. The last app on our list is an app called Honeydew. This app is made for budgeting with your significant other. Have you ever tried to do that? That can be a very challenging task, and it specializes in letting you sync and view all of your financial accounts in one place. You can set shared spending limits and get notified when you or your partner is nearing those limits. Speaking of limits, you can limit what you share in the app. Maybe you're buying your partner a gift or something and don't want them to see that. The app will automatically categorize expenses, set bill reminders, and the good news is this app is completely free. At the end of the day, choose an app that has features that you'll use. If you're a planner and pretty disciplined, you may like an app that works off of zero-based budgeting or uses the envelope system. If you're not so much a planner and just want to look at all your accounts, you can choose an app that'll allow you to pull all your accounts in, and you can just monitor your finances. So that's basically all about the budgeting apps. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.